Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, and today we're on Grady-White's 257 Fisherman. This is a brand new 2024 here. Something I want to point out is that Grady-White is going with these engines that are made specifically from Yamaha for Grady-White in this color. So for 2024, that's the color you're going to see on all the engines, and again, that's an exclusive color for Grady-White. This has got the twin 200s on it. You can get twin 150s on here, so obviously this is the upgrade. Boat runs fantastic with either engine package, but if you want that little bit of extra speed, the twin 200s is the way to go. Stern of the boat, you've got a nice big fish box back here. What's different about Grady's fish boxes is they're elevated out of the floor, so it doesn't take a fish box pump out to pump the scales and slime out of it. It all runs overboard by gravity. So that's a real nice feature. That a lot of them that you see in the floor, you have to have a pump to pump the stuff out of them. This one, you pull the plug, it drains out. Got live well on the port side. Underneath this lid right here is a little freshwater pull-out shower. Something I always like to point out on the Grady-Whites is one of the first things that you'll notice on a boat as you're boarding it is the boarding door in the back of it. A lot of people just use a little piece of thin plastic, looks like cutting board back there. Little tiny cleats or little tiny hinges on it. When you step on this, you look at this 2-inch thick door back there, you look at the hinges that are on there that look like they come off a 50-foot sport fish, right away you see the quality in the build of the Grady-White. Heavy duty, oversized cleats all over the place. Something nice with with just about all the Grady-Whites is this fold-out seat in the back of the boat. So just giving you extra seating. This is a fishing boat, but obviously you want a comfortable seat to get out to your fishing spot. That does it right there. This has got the leaning post with it. Underneath there's the storage for your Yeti Cooler, and that Yeti Cooler's on a sliding track, so it'll slide out from under there. We got some shotgun rod holders, 8 of them here. So you've got those 8, then you've got 4 in the gunnel. So you have 12 rod holders on here. Tilt steering wheel. And when you get on here and you feel this, the nice grip on this, super easy to steer with what some people call a suicide knob or a speed wheel on there. Ergonomics on here are fantastic. As I'm standing here, your hands fall naturally onto the steering wheel and the control, so it's a real comfort to drive. You've got a nice big mounting flat on here to put your multifunction display. Garmin, Raymarine, whatever you like, we install it all here. Little box up top here on the T-top, and this is a hard top T-top on here as well. So you can throw your wallet, your hat, your car keys, that kind of stuff, so it's up out of the way. Let's take a quick peek inside the head compartment, because this does have a fairly large head on it. All finished off on the inside, not a bunch of pieces of canvas covering up unfinished walls down in there. You can see that they actually took the time to finish off all the walls down inside there. Nice big seating in the front, a dual seat in front of the console. This has got the anchor windlass on it. And again, look at the size of the hardware on here. This anchor roller, it looks like it comes off a 40, 50-foot boat. They're just overbuilt everywhere. I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. If you want to come take this boat for a test ride, call my cell phone, 904-625-6146.